Your Turn and More tool comes with a 3-step locking mechanism. You can actually hear it click as it locks in place. And then when you open it, you can tell that the tip is serrated so that it can grab onto the fabric and not slip out of place. Let me show you how easy it is to turn a long skinny strap just like this one right side out. This one's already been sewn right sides together, so all you need to do is open your tool, insert it into one end of the tube, and sort of use your fingers to scrunch the fabric along the length of the tool just like this until the tip of your tool comes out the other end of your fabric tube. Then making sure your tool is open all the way, then just insert the end of the fabric into the tip of your tool and lock it in place. Then just use your fingers to clear the end of the tool just like I'm doing right here to make sure it is cleared all the way before you pull your tube right side out. Once the tip is cleared, then all you need to do is gently grab onto the fabric and pull it right side out just like this. See how easy that was? And it doesn't damage the edge of the fabric at all. Then you can open your tool and you can use the tip of it to sort of make sure that the edge of your tube is pulled out all the way just like this. And you can even insert the tool back inside your tube to make sure that your seam allowance is spread open flat on the inside of the tube before you take it to the ironing board. And voila, you've turned a tube in just seconds flat. Pulling elastic out of a casing just like this one is super easy to do with the Turn and More tool. We have a couple of garment patterns that require these beautiful elasticized shoulder straps, so I'm going to show you how we do them. The first thing you want to do is stitch the elastic inside the casing at one end, just like this. Then you can insert the tool in the open position inside the casing until the end of the tool reaches the elastic. You can sort of feel with your fingers until you can clamp the tool back in place and then gently pull the elastic out. Look how easily it pulls out, and then you can unclamp it and then clamp it back in place and stitch the end of the elastic in place so it won't go anywhere. And look how beautiful, you've got this finished elasticized strap that you can now add to any project. If you like to make cloth dolls and stuffed animals, my Turn and More tool is perfect for stuffing fiberfill in all of those hard to reach places like arms and legs and hair and ears and anything too small for your fingers to reach. Just grab a sizable chunk of fiberfill and ball it up until it makes it a little bit more solid, just like this, and then you can clamp the tool right on it. And then it's super easy. You just find your opening, insert your tool inside your doll, and you don't even have to be that careful because once it clamps, it is not going to come apart. And then you just stuff that fiberfill right into that hard to reach place like this little tiny arm, and once you let go of it, your fiberfill's in place, and look how beautiful and how easy it was to insert it.